Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a vision board in Canva. So once you're on the Canva homepage, what you have to do is quite simple. Just click on the search bar and type in vision board, and this will bring you a list of vision board templates you can easily edit within the twinkle of an eye. So these are various vision boards with styles and patterns. This is like a case, so it depends on what you're going for. If you want it aligned or arranged like this, so but the crux of the matter is that you just have to search for the one that appeals to you, and then once you've seen it, you will know when you see it. Good, I just love this. So this is just beautiful, honestly. Good. So someone like me, I'll go for something like this and make it mine. Click on customize this template, and boom, I can title it properly. I can write my goals here, my personal goals, relationship goals, my career and finance goals. Good. This is just beautiful. So if you're looking for how to create a vision board for yourself, this is how to create a vision board. And let me tell you that my Canva plan is a paid one, so if yours will probably free, but if you have the fund, you can fund for that, or you can leave a comment below and ask me how to get a paid Canva account, and I'll be with you. Have a great day guys. I'll see you in the next video.